Ladies and gentlemen, what is up? This is YB Trades, baby. Yeah, buddy trades. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be going over my 96% win rate strategy, how I've been using it in 2024 to keep myself up, not down, in the profit, not in the red, having absolutely zero red days so far this year, man. It's been a blast. I've really enjoyed this year, and I've really enjoyed this strategy. So I thought, hey, I'm going to bring it to you guys so that you guys can all use it. You guys can all enjoy it because I know I do. So, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to hop into that. We're going to start that off. So, this is YB's EMA and VWAP strategy. I have a lot of people asking about it. A lot of people requesting a video on it. So, let's get into it. So, ladies and gentlemen, what is the EMA and VWAP strategy? What exactly is it? How can you implement this into your trading style, into your trading in general? The VWAP and EMA strategy. So, all we do is we take the 200, the 50, the 9, and the VWAP for reversal confirmation. So, what does that look like? This is something it would look like. We see the VWAP right here, guys. Came up once, touched it. Came back down. Came up another time, touched it. Got our short opportunity. If you took it at both of these potential opportunities, you would have banked on both, right? Now, the thing is, okay, hey, we're going to hop into that. So this is exactly what it looks like. The thing is, well, what happens if it goes above? You have to keep a tighter stop on it, but that's the point. Your RR ratio, your risk to reward ratio is going to be golden. Guys, that's the whole thing. You want that risk to reward ratio to be golden. You want that risk to reward ratio to be the king of kings. You want it to be great. So as you guys see me here, I'll move myself over to here so you can take a better look here. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. So that is an example. And then, like I said before, yep, it's just a VWAP touch, and this is on a 1 minute chart of the S&P. So we're going to do a couple more examples. We're going to do one more example and just show you. This is a really quick video, a really quick just dive into it, and so you guys can use this. And it's a really simple strategy as well. It's a really simple strategy as well. And that's what the best part is. Baby, we want simple. You go to Chipotle and you go and get a bowl. What are you getting? You're getting rice, beans, maybe some guac. You know, obviously some chicken or steak, depending on how the market treats you that day. Steak's a little bit more. But it's simple, simplistic. You know, when I go to Starbucks, I got to get a double shot of espresso and a venti latte with 3 scoops of a little bit of, give me some creatine in there or something. You know what I mean? It's too complex. I'm not doing all that, right? We keep it simple. We have simplicity. Simplicity in trading is going to be your best friend. Something at TradeCaster we say is KISS. Keep it stupid simple, right? That is the way to be profitable trading. So, here's another example, guys. Another example is going to be, as you see, we're on a 4-hour chart of the NQ. 4-hour chart of the NQ. As you see here, and you guys can go back right now. I know right now, and if you guys are watching this video a little bit later, maybe the charts are different. But right now, the S&P is sitting around 485, all-time highs. It has never seen this price in the history of trading. Back when your grandparents used to stock trade, right? Never seen these prices before in its entire existence. So, but this point is still there. You guys can go back and see it. So, as you guys see on the 4-hour, 200-day EMA, right? You guys see it comes down, bounces once, bounces twice, and starts to take off. You guys have to use these. And where would my stop loss be in this play in general? My stop loss would be underneath 400, probably around 350. You're going to have a 50-point stop on a larger move. Why? Because it's a larger time frame. So, it would be around 350, right? Your stop, but you're making 600 points. If you guys ride this up, you guys are making 400 points at least. If you guys ride this up, you're making at least 400 points. That is insane. 400 points on one contract. Now, for you guys that don't understand this video exactly, don't know what I'm saying, I will be coming out with some beginner videos as well on candlestick confirmation, on what exactly a candlestick even is. Some of you guys are like, YB, dude, I don't even know what you're saying right now, dog. This sounds like gibberish out of the mind. Or you're speaking fast, you're speaking in tongues. You know, you don't make any sense, guys. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, just letting you guys know, and I know I speak a little fast here. It's because I just got done trading. It was a great day, but we're going to be going over it all, okay? So we'll slow it down a little bit. This is a 200-day EMA. How do I use this confirmation? It comes down, touches my point here, and starts to reverse back up. We're looking for longs here. We're not looking for shorts. We're looking for longs off this point, okay? So coming back into play. So, something you would have noticed if you were on a 1 minute chart. So, that's another thing here. You would not have noticed this point at all. You might have wanted to get short here on a 1 minute chart. You go to the 4 hours, so you have to be observant. Another thing with the strategy, it is stupid simple, but it is also needs a little bit of, you gotta try a little bit. You know what I mean, guys? You gotta try a little bit. So, you gotta go to the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, the hourly, the 4 hour, and the daily. You gotta look at all your points, know where your EMAs are, to know that these are reversals. The larger the time frame, the harder the reversal, right? So that's in there. Here's a perfect example and where to set a stop loss. Our last example, and this is going to be it. Ladies and gentlemen, you have a perfect touch of your VWAP. Ladies and gentlemen, you have a perfect touch of your 200-day. You have a perfect touch of your VWAP. You have a perfect touch of your 200-day. Where's your stop loss? You see where 473 is? See where I circled? Your stop loss is going to be 473.89. 472.89. Why? Why, B? If I'm getting in at the price of 473.30, why is my stop loss going to be 50 cents below? Why, B? If I'm getting in at the price of 473.40, which is still 10 cents off the VWAP and 200, why is my stop loss? You have to give it the 10 cents of the dollar. So we're riding is okay. Here's 473, right? This hit 472.92. So this never came down to your stop loss. You would have been in and you would have banked off of this trade. You have to give it the 11 cents, not 10, because it'll still reverse off 90. Anything underneath the 11 cents off of the whole dollar. Right? So let's say it's not near the whole dollar at all. No matter what, give it that wiggle room. You set your stop loss based on what you think of. The factor is it has to be a nice RR ratio. You can DCA into it, but I would go no more than 30 cents below. No more than 30 cents below. So this obviously is different situation because you have 30 cents below is 473. That's another support area, right? It's a whole dollar. So ladies and gentlemen, that's really going to be it. You look for those, and we'll say this. These are all examples on the long side. These are all examples on the long side, right? You can do the same for the short side, guys. You can do the exact same for the short side. If it starts to come down off of these points, all you do is flip it. That's why it's the reversal strategy. Doesn't matter which way we're going. We're making money, baby, right, ladies and gentlemen? So that's what matters, guys. That's what truly matters. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the strategy. That's it. Guys, this is going to be a really raw video. It's going to be a really unedited video. I just wanted to go over it. It's not going to be super captivating, but as a stock trader, these are the things you have to learn, have to watch to be profitable. You want a 96% win rate. You don't want to lose money in the market. Well, here it is, guys. Implement it. A+ setup number 1. Implement this to your trading strategy, and I promise you, you will bank. You will profit. You will be great. Come over to tradecaster.com where I'm live every day. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, guys. I love you all. Yeah, buddy. See you in the next one, guys. Take it easy. Peace.